we were able to get the Beekman 1802 Advent Calendar. And one of the things that I think is really neat is the boxes don't have numbers on them. Oh, that's different. And these are cute. They show different winter sport activities. The canisters, greatest of all time, don't have numbers on them. And neither do these little canisters. This particular one says tickets. So how do you know when to open them? The setup, yes, I got to set this thing up. It gives you the numbers on the base. So everyone puts these in a corresponding spot for the shape. And then everyone's unboxing is going to be different. You're still going to get the same items, yet each unboxing will be a different order of the items. Oh, how neat. What do we get? What do we get? Okay, we'll see in a second. And just for reference, this is a 24-day calendar, $199, so that means we're looking to recoup our money for $8.29 per day, and each item was a single day. We did not have any double boxes. So let's get going here. We're off to the fair. We start out with a cleansing gel. Micellar Milk Froth Cleansing Gel and Makeup Remover. And all these products contain goat milk. That was my understanding. They have a goat farm and put the goat's milk to good use. This looks like fun. Micellar water, golden sea moss, goat milk. Oh, that's neat. What else is there? Tell me more. I want to know, I want to know, I want to know. Okay. Next is a tube of pure goat milk lip balm. And this cardboard container holds, oh, please don't swallow that. Don't swallow. Okay, I won't swallow. Each tube holds the actual container. So you can keep it in there if that is what works for you, or you can take it out and just use the plastic container. We have another lip balm. This one is Lilac Dream. It has goat milk, beeswax, and sunflower oil. Next, we have a Bloom Cream, goat milk, niacinamide, daily moisturizer, and it is ½ an ounce. This is one that I am excited for. Oh yes, you like things with mushrooms. I don't like to eat mushrooms. I like face products with mushrooms. I know, I'm weird. Mushroom Milk Better Aging Eye Cream with 5% hexapeptide and mushrooms and goat milk. This is a hand cream in honeyed grapefruit. This is another one that is definitely sounding intriguing to me. Me too. Trying to do this without blinding everybody. This is from the RX line, which is their brand new line that they've been promoting over on Instagram. I was excited that made the, I'm going to say, the cut for the calendar. So RX, this is Advanced Better Aging Cream. Gently massage a dime-sized amount into clean skin, and it is half an ounce. So this next one, and I never say this right, Baku Choi. It is a Dream Booster Better Aging. So this is the plant-based version of some of the non-plant-based versions. So this is a little bit healthier for your skin. And yes, this was the one that you add a couple drops of this to the Bloom cream, and then mix that in your palms, and then you can apply it to your face. This is a body cream. We tried this from last year's box. It was a little overpowering in the scent. Yeah, I think my brain read honey and orange. It kind of missed the orange blossom. So that was a little more flowery than what I expected. It was still a good cream. It moisturized very nicely. I think I wound up using this on my legs. It was just a little bit heavy for my preference. And this is 2 ounces of product. We have 3 bars of soap. Pistachio with dark cherry. I can't use this because of my nut allergy, so that will get passed along. Almond honey cookie goat milk soap. Again, another allergen product for me, and that's just the way it goes. They make nice little stocking stuffers. Vanilla Absolute with goat milk, botanical oils, and extracts. And these are 3.5 ounces. So this is a decent bar of soap. Oh, I might even try that. We are halfway through this calendar. I would say I'm pleased with everything. I know there are some products that I cannot use, and that's the way it goes. They make nice gifts, nice things for the future giveaways. I would say I would give you $8.29 for really everything. Even the lip balms, yes, they seem small. They last, and they're a good product. They're made well, or they're well made. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have fun things this Advent season, and we have fun things coming up for the new year. Did you get this? Or did you see something that you liked? Let me know that you know I am an inquiring cow. And now, moving right along with this video. This is something, and I'm leaving it packaged up because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or share it. This is something we got last year. These are reusable under eye patches. So you use your own cream, preferably one of theirs, and then put this on top under your eye for, what did they say on here, 10 to 20 minutes. Jeff and I both tried these. I didn't try it. We found them to be very constricting and rather stiff. It felt like we had a Band-Aid under our eye. So it wasn't the usual gentle feel of just an under eye mask. And I admit, we tried it. I rinsed them off like you're supposed to, let them dry, put them back, and they're sitting somewhere in a drawer. So we probably would and should try them again, but the newer pair I'm going to save for a gift or a stocking stuffer or a giveaway or something like that, unless we suddenly decide that we are in love with them. Another lip balm in Sunshine Lemon We had this one last year. It's not my favorite lemon lip balm, yet it's not bad. Next up is a body cream, Vanilla Absolute, 2 ounces. So they give you a decent size. A lot of calendars only give you a 1 ounce. This is 2. I'm excited to give this one a try. I've not tried this one. And I cannot get, normally I can get a sniff through a safety seal. They have a good safety seal because this snoot cannot get a good sniff. These are Milk Drop Probiotic Ceramide Serum, 1/2 ounce, and you're supposed to apply a few drops directly to your face and then massage into the skin. We have a lavender hand cream. I don't get on well with lavender, so this will get passed along, so it'll be a fun gift for somebody. And the size is 2 ounces, so they give generous sizes in this $200 calendar. A goat milk coconut cream hand lotion. Interesting. This should be nicely scented. I'm curious to try this one. Oh yeah, me too. Another bar of soap, this one in honeyed grapefruit. I believe we got this last year and I tried it and it was a little more rough than what I was expecting. It has, what does it have in it? Don't look at me, you're the one that used it. I think it's either eucalyptus leaf or bamboo. I think it's eucalyptus leaf in a small amount. So the intent, I believe, was to be exfoliating. I just wasn't expecting it to be the potential for a little exfoliation. Nice scent, though. This next one, I think we got last year, and I think I shared it because I was backing up on products to use. This one, though, does get my attention. Triple milled with a vegetable base, fragrance-free moisturizing bar soap with goat milk. It's called Pure. This is interesting. It's a barrier oil. Yeah, I don't remember seeing this before. Omega Milky Oil Fermented Barrier Boosting Facial Oil. Rich omega fatty acids will restore skin's youthful radiance with goat milk and fermented plant oils, and it's 1 ounce in size. This is another one that is supposed to be mixed with that Bloom cream. This is the Golden Booster Amla Berry Vitamin C Serum. We're getting down to the last few here. This is goat milk hand cream fragrance-free formula. My allergies do appreciate things that are fragrance-free. It might have a natural fragrance, but not a fragrance added to it. This next one they call milkshake because, as you can see, it looks separated. Yes, and it's supposed to look that way. Before you use it, you shake your milk. And it blends things together quite nicely. Shake and spray. Milkshake hyaluronic acid and squalene facial toner mist. Minimizes pores, hydrates and soothes skin. With mugwort. What's a mugwort? I have no idea. Anyone out there know? Goat milk and probiotic extract. And as you can see, it separates back out pretty quickly, but that's okay. I like to use these during the summer or whenever Mother Nature decides to give us some hot weather. Yeah, last week it was 84 degrees. Welcome to Southern California. These, for me, I find to be a nice facial refresher. And this size is, again, 2 ounces. So they give you a very decent size. Oh, and did we forget to mention that 1% of the profit is donated to animal welfare? That's pretty neat. Hey, wait a minute. Aren't we missing a goat? Well, what do you mean, well? What's she talking about? Normally, in the past, the last item was a goatee pin, a little pin of a goat they called goatee. This year, there's no pin. What? I wanted a goat. I mean, I like the other products, but no goat. Yeah, no goat. So, don't panic, Camel. Okay, I was getting near to panic. Don't panic. When I heard that there's no goat, I went on their website and found they had a goat pin from another event or promotion. So the goat pin was $10, but it was on sale for $5. The shipping was $5. So basically I bought a $10 pin. Hang on, let me get it out. Ah, there we are, a goat pin. All is good with the world now. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't include a goat pin unless people were preferring products over a pin. I thought that collecting these was the thing to do. Maybe that changed. This will go in with some of our, I think, Disney pins with the other goat pin. I thought he was rather cute, if I do say so myself. Yeah, me too. So technically, the calendar cost $210, but that's okay. I don't mind spending an extra $10 for a goat pin. I thought he was kind of cute. Like we said, it was a $200 calendar, so $8.29 per item. I would pay that. I think that's a reasonable price for the type of product. Yeah, a bar of soap, yes, you can probably go to other stores and get it for cheaper, but it won't have goat milk in it. Yeah, so we're paying for the goat milk product. We're also paying for that adorable calendar. And I did notice, I don't know if they have any left, but I did notice they were selling refills for the calendar. So maybe they thought people could double up and just pay for the product and not have to buy a whole nother calendar if they wanted to reuse. Hey, that's a neat idea. What was your favorite item? Let me know, let me know. Inquiring camels always want to know. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Hope to see you soon. We got a few more fun things coming up for the holiday season. And then we have some fun ideas along with our regular programming for 2026. Boy, that's a big number. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.